loves! We are officially in the third trimester, so it's nesting season. Let's go! So I'm gonna show you our first haul. This is gonna be the first out of many hauls for sure. And starting with Mastella. So Mastella is known for being hypoallergenic, very newborn friendly type of skincare. So we chose this one, and we also ordered Cetaphil but hindi pa siya dumarating. So ito muna. And we have here the trial kit for babies or newborn. So this one comes in diaper cream, and then there's also a cleansing gel, and also ito siya, no rinse cleansing water. So this one has freebies and it's on sale, so it's a good deal. And then also meron din itong soothing chest rub. So this one is similar sa effect ng manzanilla, and we prefer not to buy manzanilla na lang kasi a lot of media won't recommend manzanilla kasi medyo mainit daw sa balat ni baby. That's why we bought this one. May kamahalan pero yes na. And also for me, I also bought another one for their stretch marks oil. I already bought this bottle before and nagustuhan ko siya kasi it lessens the itchiness ng stretch marks. Although hindi naman siya talagang super prevent ng stretch marks. The stretch marks is also genetics. So ito, hindi siya kumakate. And that's one thing na nagustuhan ko with this one. And this is on sale. It's on yellow tag. So, yun. Next one is from SM, specifically sa baby company. So, wala kaming official store lang ng baby company here, but since it's affiliated sa SM, dun na lang kami bumili. And we got some discounts kasi may coupons kami nakuha from getting the mama card. Okay, so, first is itong Dr. Brown's feeding bottle. So, nakita ko siya sa TikTok and sa mga reels. So, nabudol po ako. And I just wanna try. I bought only one para ma-try kasi di ba hindi natin alam if magustuhan mo ng baby, ganun. So, this one is somehow costly siya, mga nasa 900 pesos. But, since try pa siya, so okay lang. This one is for 0 months or newborn talaga. So, ito, Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle. And then also, I bought a para sa ears from Moose Gear and the Cotton Buds. And then, we also bought itong dry wipes. So, I already bought wet wipes from Unilove. So, dry wipes naman instead of cotton balls kasi one of my mommy friends recommended na mag-dry wipes na lang instead of cotton balls kasi mas madali siyang hawakan, hindi siya, it's very economical, so to speak. So, we bought two different types, although same brand lang, pure cotton siya. Ito daw siya ultra soft, and then this one is soft pa rin, pero ito ultra. Okay, so mas mahal siya ng konti, but we bought the two variant para ma-try lang din kasi we will never know ano bang mahiyang kay baby. So, ayun. And then we also have, ito gusto ko siyang bilhin, matagal na kaya binili ko na siya. It's Cycles, the brand for laundry detergent. So, maraming good feedbacks with regards to this particular brand. Although, bumili na din ako ng Clean Fan and at the same time Tiny Buds na mga brand, but since I also wanted to try this one, so nagbili na din ako. So that is the budol of a first time mom. Ayan. And then also here meron pa tayo, it's still Cycles. This one is stain soaker in case magkaroon ng spit ups si baby or yung number 2 niya mag-leak siya. So, we're just preparing for stain soaker. This is for newborn, good for newborn din. And again, this is laundry detergent pa rin, but this one is powder and this one is the liquid type of detergent. So, I just bought yung maliit muna, and then if magustuhan ko or hiyang sa baby, yung kay baby, yung gallon na. That gallon, the 1.5. And then also, this one is bottle cleanser, or tama ba? Bottle brush. Bottle cleanser, bottle brush from Looney Tunes. The reason why we bought this one is meron siyang discounts using the Mama card. So we bought this one, Looney Tunes na nipple and bottle brush, bottle cleanser, and then disposable nursing pads. So this is purchased at 20% discount. So ito yung nabili namin sa baby company sa SM. And this one is from K-Shop. This is not really baby related item, but we are going to have our baby shower soon, and ito siya ay isa sa mga ipamimigay namin sa mga guests namin during the said baby shower. Yay! Ito na ipapakita. Anong laman? And of course, the last one sa haul na to is from Uniqlo. I actually purchased tiny socks. Although malaki siya tingnan, I mean, it's really big for, you know, a newborn. Pero sayang kasi if yung sobrang liit yung bibilhin ko, and then, you know, lalaki din siya, mabilis lumaki yung mga newborn. So, I purchased good for at least a year old. So, I purchased 2 from Uniqlo. Cute! The reason why I purchased it is cute. And since it's Father's Day, very, very soon, no, today, I also bought for my husband. Sana all. So, binilan ko siya ng 2 shirts. This one is on sale daw, pero parang hindi naman siya naka-sale kasi yung mahal pa rin. So, this one is for my husband. And I'm pretty sure he's gonna be a good father for this. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!